Hey guys, welcome to Creating Home. My name's Melissa, and today I am doing my first collaboration with a company called Shabebe with their product for a rock glue. And we are going to be using this on a pea gravel sidewalk that goes to our side entry of our home. And it's going to go from pieces of rock that get displaced into the grass to a nice solid surface walkway. So let's get started. But I thought I would just unbox this so you can see what comes with this rock glue. So we just have some instructions. We have some rubber gloves for application, and we have the rock glue product. And this one is 128 ounces of glue, and this can be used for mulch, gravel, or any stone, it says. Safe for people and pets. It is long lasting and durable. So they recommend 3 different types of applications. The first one is a pour-on method with a watering can, which might be what I do because I think that might be the easiest. You can also use this sprayer for spray-on application, and you can also just do a mixing application where you just mix the glue straight with your mulch or your rock, and you just kind of trowel it on that way. They recommend that you do about 3 applications, and so what we'll do is we're going to dilute the product in the watering can. We're going to apply it onto our rocks, and then we're going to kind of rake it so that it really gets distributed in our sidewalk, and then we're going to allow it to dry really well, and then we'll come back and do it again. So let's get started. Let's get the blower and blow this off to make sure that there's no extra pine straw or dirt and just rocks. I'm really excited to try this out because we really do have an issue with our dog just tracking back little rocks into our laundry room, which is kind of where she hangs out. So this will be super nice and will fix a big problem that we have. I'm gonna pour my glue into my watering can first, and then I'm going to dilute it with water. I think it'll mix in the best that way. I'm gonna go kind of modest on our first application here and just fill this up maybe a quarter of the way with the glue, and then add our water. We're gonna let this dry and then we'll do another one. Okay, this is what we have right now after our first coat. Just kind of looks wet, but it's drying really quickly. But you can kind of see that purple hue on top of the rocks. But again, that's really helpful so that you can see where you've worked and where you've missed. And yes, I got a little bit right there on the threshold, but that actually needs to be removed. It's just a little plastic piece, so we'll do that when we are all done. We're gonna let this dry, and then we're gonna do that one more time. Here's the sidewalk after the second coat, which is all I had enough product for, and I think it's gonna be great. I raked it after the second coat and you could hardly see the pea gravel moving, so I think after this coat it's gonna be perfect. And then let me just give you a kind of overall view here of how pretty these planters have really filled out, and that sweet potato vine is going for it, and it is creating a really pretty look, and we're enjoying that. And we're really going to enjoy this sidewalk not bringing little pieces of grit into our laundry room. After 24 to 48 hours, your product is going to be completely cured and ready for your pets and people to walk on without any more pebbles getting in your laundry room or your grass. If you'd like to order this product and get an extra 5% off today, use the link above and use this discount code CREATEROCK. Thanks for watching, guys.